In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make logo transparent background in Wix. To begin, open your Wix site editor so you are looking at your workspace canvas. Once you are inside the editor, go directly to the logo image that you want to update and click on the image box itself. This tells Wix that you want to work with that specific logo and opens the image controls you will need for the next part. After selecting the logo, look for the floating toolbar that appears near the image. On that toolbar, click the Settings gear icon, or choose the Crop or Edit Image option if that is what appears in your version of the editor. Both of these options are used to access the image editing tools, so either one will take you in the right direction. When the image editor opens, move your attention to the tool menu on the left side of the window. In that panel, find the option labeled Cutout or Remove Background, and click it. This is the tool Wix uses to separate your logo from the background behind it. In many cases, Wix can detect the subject automatically, which makes this process fast and simple. Give the system a moment to process the image. Wix will create a background removal mask around your logo. Once that is done, take a close look at the result, especially around detailed edges, corners, and any small shapes in the design. If parts of the background are still visible, or if any part of the logo was removed by mistake, use the adjustment brush tools to clean it up. This is especially helpful for logos with fine lines, sharp corners, or transparent areas that need a more polished finish. As you make these small adjustments, try to keep the edges smooth and natural. A clean cutout will help your logo look more professional when it sits on top of different sections of your website. Taking a few extra seconds here can make a big difference in the final appearance. Once you are happy with how the logo looks, go to the bottom area of the Photo Studio window and click Save or Apply. This updates the image on your canvas and keeps the transparent background version in place. After that, your logo should appear without its old background, giving it a cleaner and more flexible look inside your Wix site design. That covers everything you need to know.